Hi guys, this is Miranda Sanderson and welcome to my channel. I will hopefully be uploading videos for you each week. So if there's something that you would like to see, a video you want me to create, please drop me a comment and please subscribe. If you want to see some of my recent photo shoots, please check me out on Instagram. I will put the link down below. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to bring out the sunset in a washed out sky. This sky is overexposed and there's not much going on, so it's very simple. We'll just Control J the background, go to brightness, and we're going to go -80. Contrast is -10, and then we're going to Control I so you can't see it on the image, and then we'll go to paint, bring this up to 500. We're just going to paint. Very quickly drop this back down to 150 so that we can get these tight little spaces. There was actually a lot of colour in the sky when I was taking the photo, but I didn't have a flash, so it's very washed out because I made my subject bright. There we go, that's done. Then we're going to go to hue and saturation, select blues, and we're going to bring it up to about 90. Then we're going to change where this bar sits so that there's more blue in the image. We're then going to go to yellows. I want it to be more orange, so we're going to put it there. I might just play around with, it doesn't really change much. So that's cool, we'll leave that as it is. And with reds, we'll do the same, we'll just move it, try and get more vibrance. Increase the saturation, and I'll just see it's not doing much to the sky. There we go. Pull this back a bit. You get a little bit more colour over here. We're going to Control I, go back over to the paintbrush, bring it back up to 500, and paint the sky again to pick up the hue and saturation changes that we made to the background. There would be a lot more I would do to this image before I would think of it as complete. I would use frequency separation on her skin, and I would probably darken the grass up as well using hue and saturation. But I'm just showing you how to bring out the sunset in a washed out sky in this video. So if there is anything else that you would like me to show you how to do, please drop me a comment and subscribe to my channel. And there you go, nice and easy, took less than 5 minutes. So this is before and this is after. So please subscribe, follow me on Instagram. If you want to see some of my recent pictures, please check it out, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks.